Hello everyone, how are you guys? If you are new to this, welcome. And today we're gonna make another injera. Look at that beautiful injera. Yes, we're gonna learn how to make, so let's get started. First thing first, get your teff. I'm using ivory teff, 25-pound ivory. Start dough starter, warm water. So if you have all those, let's go. Oh, I forgot my mixer. Yes, we're gonna use my mixer. And let's get to work. Alright, we're adding the dough starter, more water. Water. Yeah, that is 40 cup of water. And we add all the 25 pound of teff. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna make our beautiful dough. So let's make dough. That's it. It's simple and easy. This is the first part. We're gonna come back after 8 or 7 hours. 7 to 8, yeah. So we're back. For the second step, we need self-rising flour, wheat flour, and warm water. I'm using 2 cups of self-rising, 2 cups of the wheat flour, and water. So let's mix them together. Mix. I didn't measure the water, but I'm sure I'm using like about 8 or 9 cup of water because I cheat, I forget. Sorry. Alright, let's mix it up. Mix. And more water. We're gonna combine together. So that is the dough we made in the morning. So yep, it's ready. And you need to blend it well. We're mixing them together now, adding the self-rising and the wheat to the dough we made in the morning. That's the teff. And more water. So I just add 8 cup of warm water. We're using everything warm water from my sink. Second cup, third, 3 cup of 8. Okay, total I add 40 cup. Overnight we're back. I just removed the extra water on the top so I can measure, like level up my dough. Is that dough? Yeah. I'm putting back because it was really thick. That looks right, so you can add extra water if you want from warm water from your sink, but that is good enough for me, so let's move it on. Alrighty, yeah, I got 3 of them. We're turning on to 500. We're gonna let them warm them up, and yep, it's ready. Yeah, what am I using on that one is my baking powder. You'll thank me later. So yeah, I always use baking powder on my, what I'm gonna call it right now is pan or mitad mogogo. That injera looks amazing already. We're gonna let it stay up about like 30 seconds, and voila. That's super easy step. And if you don't like the surprising, you can use always 100% teff. But 1 cup, 2 cup of surprising, it doesn't make big change on the taste. It's the same thing. If you really like my injera, please don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification. So every time when I make injera, you will see. Alright, tell me about it. What do you guys think? And then the back. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.